How to become invisible in Gacha. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the steps to achieve the invisibility in the online game Gacha on Roblox. It's a simple and rapid process, so ensure that you follow along closely. To begin, log into your Roblox account as usual and launch the Gacha Online. Upon entering the game, navigate to the Customization tab to modify your character. Ensure that you choose the first option for each category such as front hair, real hair, ponytail, back hair, mouth, and so on. Typically, the initial choice in each tab will render the item invisible. After selecting the first option for all the accessories and features, proceed to the Customize Your Body Skill option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Within the body skill sliders, opt to hide everything by clicking the hide button on the left. Once you have concealed all the body parts, shrink them to a minimum size of 60%. This adjustment will cause your clothing to appear very small, rendering you virtually invisible in Gacha Online on Roblox. So I trust that this guide has been helpful in your quest for invisibility. If you found this video beneficial, please show your support by liking and subscribing for additional straightforward tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.